Nick here from tinywoodstove.com, and I'm excited to introduce you to our Cookstove Combo. Oh look, my cookies are done. The Dwarf 5K Cookstove Combo is perfect for spaces under 500 square feet, such as tiny houses, cabins, schoolies, and other off-grid structures that prioritize self-sufficiency and independence. The Cookstove Combo combines our efficient Dwarf 5 kilowatt wood stove with an optional retrofitted top baking oven. The oven easily mounts to the top of the stove, and the chimney vents through the rear with a custom rear exit T that's included with the stove. This T provides a smaller installation footprint and easy access for chimney maintenance without climbing on the roof. The cooktop is suitable for low to medium heat around 200 to 300 degrees and is great for warming, simmering, or heating water for coffee or tea. For high heat cooking, the oven's bottom surface reaches temperatures ranging from 500 to 700 degrees. By using a cast iron skillet, you can move your pan between the high temperature, lower cooking surface and the cooktop to maintain the perfect temperature for cooking eggs or sautéing vegetables. The oven's interior measures 11 inches by 11 inches and accommodates standard 8-inch bakeware like casserole or muffin pans and pie pans. The oven includes a removable wire rack that can be adjusted, and the stainless steel liner is easily removable for cleaning. The cook stove stands at approximately counter height, or 35 inches tall, and the cooktop area measures 15¼ inches wide and 14½ inches deep, fitting a small kettle and an 8 to 10 inch skillet. With temperatures exceeding 500 degrees, the oven, paired with our pizza stone and pizza peel, is excellent for quickly baking pizza. If you're a sourdough enthusiast, our small Dutch oven fits perfectly inside for baking that delicious sourdough loaf. Cooking and baking with a wood-fired cook stove is a fun art form. You can adjust the baking temperature by varying the amount of wood in the stove, or by regulating airflow through the oven with the cooktop ring, or by cracking the oven door. Heat, cook, and bake with the ultimate off-grid appliance. The Cookstove Combo lets you avoid costly propane and moisture and mold issues common in tiny spaces. With the Cookstove Combo, this winter, you'll be warm, relaxing by your fire, heating your favorite beverage atop your stove, with the aroma of fresh cookies baking in the oven, feeling like you hit the cozy jackpot. Visit tinywoodstove.com to place your order, or contact one of our experienced Tiny Living team members who can guide you through every step of the process. Stay warm and cozy this winter with tinywoodstove.com.